I wake up early on Saturday. The sky is pale and quiet. I drink a glass of water and wash my face. I check my cupboard and see that I need food for the week. I write a short list on a small card: apples, bananas, bread, milk, eggs, and rice. I fold a reusable bag and put it in my pocket. I lock the door and start walking to the supermarket near my home. My goal is simple. I want fresh food and I want to keep my budget under £10. The street is cool after a light rain. I walk past a bakery and smell warm bread. I cross the road at the zebra crossing and follow the pavement to the corner store. The sign is bright and the glass doors slide open. I feel ready and relaxed. I pick up a basket because I only need a few things. Inside the store, the lights are clear and the floor is clean. I check the wall map and plan my path. First the fruit, then bread, then dairy, then eggs, then dry food like rice. I keep my list in my hand. I walk slowly so I do not miss anything. I reach the fruit section. Red apples shine under the lights. I choose 3 firm apples and place them gently in my basket. I pick 2 bananas with a light yellow color. I look at the small scale and the price label. The prices are fine for my budget. The fruit smells fresh. I smile and move on. I follow the signs to aisle 5 for bread. There are many kinds: white, whole wheat, and seeded. I read the labels and choose a whole wheat loaf because I want more fiber this week. I check the date on the bag. It is fresh. I place it in my basket and feel the weight grow a little. Next, I go to the dairy fridges. I want a smaller bottle of milk so I can finish it before the week ends. I take the 1-pint size and check the date on the cap. It is good for several days. I look at yogurt but decide to wait for another time. I keep my focus on the list and on my budget. I walk to the egg section. I choose a box of 1 dozen eggs. I open the box and make sure the shells are not cracked. Everything looks fine. I close the box and put it carefully on top of the bread so nothing breaks. I check the dry food aisle for rice. There are small bags and big bags. I only need a small bag for simple meals. I compare 2 prices and choose the cheaper one. I turn my list over and review each item: apples, bananas, bread, milk, eggs, rice. Everything is here. I feel satisfied and calm. I walk to the checkout. I place my items on the belt in a steady line. I take my card from my wallet and get ready to pay. I keep a paper bag nearby for packing. When it is time, I tap my card. Wait a moment and see the green light. The total is under £10. So my plan works well. I pack my items neatly and keep the receipt for my budget notebook. I step outside and the air feels fresh. The clouds are moving and a little sun warms the street. I carry 1 light bag in my left hand. The handles are strong and comfortable. I walk slowly to enjoy the quiet morning. I think about simple meals for the week: toast with bananas, apple slices with yogurt when I buy it later, eggs on toast, and rice with vegetables from my freezer. At home, I place the bag on the table. I wash the fruit and put it in a bowl. I store the milk in the fridge and the eggs on the middle shelf. I put the rice in a glass jar and write the date on a label. I fold the receipt and note the total in my budget book. I feel organized and safe. My kitchen looks simple and ready for the week. I make a slice of toast and drink a glass of water. The morning is quiet and my plan is complete. The trip was short, the cost was low, and the food is fresh. I sit by the window, watch the street, and enjoy the calm start to my day.